Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, you've Father, you done for me, yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the location in which you are. You are once again welcome to another edition of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. I am super excited to host this program, this most important education on issues concerning our immigration, litigation, family law, and mitigations. I believe you join me to share this most important program to extend our listeners, extend our viewers on all the media platforms. Please join me while we delve into things in the community concerning legal education. I believe you stick and stay with us. I'll be right back. Just stay with us.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
BWF Solicitors, your trusted partners. Oniadofo, ahwefo, eyamide, eme ahwanho ase, enenso anope adumnenti, yedi se adwumedi a efiada bia yedi ba makwan enenso yesan ede bremo. Midiani manyeti. Ene adumnenti yedi mrika akwakofa yen lawyers aketin card bia yetwe moba efidie so na ebe pintin nyoma ekoso ya brabo mu when it comes to litigations and say immigration honsem and say even yen krom Ghanaian law mpo honsem na omudi America ba no mo abe kan bia kire mo abe kire nyoma o say ye na ye hu ebe hinhan ye enenso sa emre na so mesre we ni die mu say bomoden afro bi fra wo nua bi fra wadamfo bi fra wo maami bi upapa bi se emre na so ene asem wanwa bi aba ye ba be kan ho asem no omo nso omo betie bi na omo nto hu anamon ebe ye me de se obe share program no onya ba so a no a share ko WhatsApp contact nyina share mo bia o Facebook so nso bomode ana share sans no o share en YouTube nso a no a share me ka share na se o chicha ma amansan ehu ekira kwan ene eye me de say ye wo update kakra ye kan update ana kire se nioma a abesin na wotwi mu a yenya nten ho nsem no ne yɛde mmirika ne akɔ akɔfa ne yɛde aba abɛkyerɛ mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a mobɛnya ho mobɛnya information ne ntɛm. Enti no me nua baa ɛwɔ efidie yi so, me nua baa Debbie mɛtwe n'aba na ɔmbɛma yɛn update a na wɔtwe mu nyinaa ɛwɔ sɛ anaasɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhu na yɛnto ho anamo. So welcome once again, Debbie. I'm going to call you to give us the update that we have for today, and then after that I'll invite my lawyer to come and give us the education. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manya. Good morning, viewers. So today the update concerns the Nationality and Borders Act 2022. So this takes into consideration the asylum and humanitarian applications that are made. So the new changes that have been brought into play now are that, so before the law changed, when you make a successful asylum application, they granted you 5 years, and then after the 5 years you can apply for settlement, which is indefinite leave as we all know it. However, with the change, now when you make a humanitarian or asylum claim, also known as a protection claim, before the 28th of June 2022, you will still be granted the 5 years leave to remain, and then after the 5 years, that's if you're successful, sorry. And then after the 5 years, you're able to apply for indefinite leave. However, if you applied or made the claim after the 28th of June, they will grant you what is known as humanitarian protection. So, sorry, they'll grant you a temporary humanitarian permission to stay for 30 months. So these people will only be eligible to apply for settlement after 10 years under the separate long residence rules. So this is a little update I have for our viewers today.
Thank you very much, Deborah. It's if one for ya sign aba muti update aba no. Sɛ yɛn lawyer ba a ɔbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra nso de ama mo nti ma mo ho ɛmi a yɛnom bi yɛnte borɔfo no papa, so yɛn nua baa ne ka ne si a na afei ne yɛfintimfintim ɔka adeɛn yɛbɛduru hɔ ma mo nsuro koraa yo dodoɔ no aba so nyinaa mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛma mo yɛn nua baa Sandra Fraser ɔsi good morning, Sir Patrick saa Sandra Fraser good morning viewers, ɔde information biara a ohia sɛ obetu anamo akwakohu BWF Solicitors no yɛnua aba de abeto so contact nara baby a obefa even transport kra obefa e de akọ de abegu ho enti mo hwɛ board ne so a mo hwɛ platform ne so a mo behu na motumi di America akọ BWF Solicitors so nneɛma bebree na mo yɛ enye immigration nsɛm nko a na mo di ho akotimte sɛ omo yɛ nneɛma bebree na mmom eba na immigration any family law dia ene kromo ha lawyers akentinka a yɛka sɛ omo adwene society no omo amom batches na yɛde amom kyerɛ sɛ mo odu yie na kyerɛ sɛ omo na eba immigration ne family law a omo di kane saa na tie omo yɛ ho ade ankasa sɛ ne tie bia home office kra omo hu omo letterhead a na omo de ahopopo grant saa na tie enti mo nko ho BWF Solicitors bibia ohia ɛwɔ law mo omo betumi aboa o uba so ahye adai monokum nyame nhyira o say good morning family and friends mesrɛ mo share program ne nkɔ echichichi dodo na enya ho hwɛ yo sɛnea ɛteɛ no monim sɛ da bia yɛnsɔre fiti prɛko pɛ ɛmbɛtena ha yɛba ha na kyerɛ sɛ biribi krade bi ɛkɔ so na yɛtu ho anamo ne ahwɛ sɛ okay ade wei a ɛkɔ so yɛmbɛ ɛnkyerɛ amansa no ɔmo ani nda hɔ sɛ na ɛteɛ enti sɛ ebi to a na wate wanya nteaseɛ ɛnya afei na wodi ho ebobo enti saa topics anaasɛ anamotu anaasɛ nneɛma ɛkokɔ so na ɛnɛ nso yakwa kofa emu baako de aba enti mema ye lawyer ɔde nkyia kɛseɛ nso de abrɛhwe etiefoɔ na ahwɛfoɔ nyinara owie ye na afei question ɛda hɔ anaasɛ the main topic that we have ɛnɛ sɛ yɛba bɛdi ho adwuma no na afei mede abɛtu dwa na ya pinchim na yɛhu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛnya saa nimdeɛ no na yɛtu ho anamo enti lawyer Patrick mpatwɔ mema wakɔ aba na fa nkyia ɛma etiefoɔ na ahwɛfoɔ na afei yɛmfa adwumadie no ɛntoa so.
Right. Thank you, Manye. A tier for ne ashefo nyina emamu nyina very very good morning. Ye hope say ene anopai obia ho ye awowom kakra, but it's okay because anything I wa ha say ye besua de na ye de akan ye ho hye. And now this no very 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 important because bibia esi bebree, and in recent times, akoye bibia abeye rampant. Na just say debia no yehu se koso. Nti ehu behia se yebeton sa frɛ ye nuanom, yebeton sa frɛ adofo omo UK, omo outside of the UK, especially omo Ghana, omo tie yen. Sebe ya mbetimi enya eye adesua de sonko bi afri de ye beka no eden, because they are very very important. Ebehia see ye nyina ye beto nsa frɛ afoforo se ne maka no na ye nyina atumi asua de. First of all, e de akan ye ho hye na afi so e de atre yenim de mu. So manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick medasi se na meka ye no Sara. Na momunim bibi o se memfa we entwemu ansa na arefre krampo aba. Ene say the whole year when it comes to BWF Solicitors, omo adibia ya no omo ye afi kwa ewie ya. Every day we share na watri bia from January up to December. Na just say ebeko break kra, just maybe a week break pe out of the 24 months, no, and as 52 weeks na ye wo afinimo. Ana actually so a ohwa na bia 2 weeks break bi pe e na omoko. Internet say from January up to December, no, na watri bia 3 times in a week, no, BWF Solicitors the education way the bremo. Enti obebesia se school mpo na wo kwa edu baabi a o se ye nso ye hwe ye so wa adwenhwe se na ye bia school na wo kwa fit January to December die important e na wesua. Enti BWF Solicitors omo tradition back ne se edu afia ya no mo the quiz eba. I believe say it was just the corona time, no, na ye skip a year bi, but afi bia ye. Enti no this year good news, this year good news, no. BWF Solicitors ye the quiz no san ba biom. Thursdays bia Rainbow Radio in summer wetie from lawyer Eunice, any lawyer you can say lawyer Richard education modema. And afen so Friday bia nso BWF legal hour so a lawyer Patrick and I say lawyer Charles and I say Uncle Ben and so edeba. And a Saturday nso the community and the law nso adesua we sua lawyers ekwo nyina no. You see this December ye to nsafra won so bra betre wadwen. Enti ebeye quiz ye bebisa nsem a most of the headlines and topics are yesua no. Ye bebisa mu nsem na wetumi won so ayeden we yimwaye. Munim say last year ye chiche nneoma, last 2 years nso sa say ba na chede a wo a win no na emo de ye. Me hu ye kra na me ni abri say e bi ni say obenya plane tickets akọ Ghana in and out free. Ubenya holiday. I think 1 to 2 weeks. A very nice hotel. Yay, Radi. Menya webi. Kebe mi do. Entino second prize. No, so just say up to prizes up to 10 prize. Na just a draw so ye. Enti bomodia. Every day bia udia refini na kra. Go back to all our videos. Na bo uye adwuma na ubo na utie. O small room na utie bi udware na waso BWFs na utie bi na quiz ne so a na wetumi ababe ma answers utwa answers ne nyina madamfo wo de wonni nkrata kra de ko Ghana kra meye nkrata na ma wenya prize na ko Ghana ba why no akodi holiday da ba keke. And watch out for this. Very soon we'll bring the flyers out and then we start the quiz as soon as possible. December, now final results, no. Na the pako be win no. Na this actually be amano. Enti watch out. Na maka ni nyina no mensa ento anamom ensa mo amaba Facebook ne we ne so nyina nyame nhram. em say producer obi send nuisance messages bi ewo we no so mbetumi a block na amami anke be me de pa na munyi nim free so na yenhwe adai mununku wasi good morning family Newcastle manye good morning no good morning mami ya eje wa wasi good morning manye and lawyer Patrick mami ya je so sister Deborah so kaya ho nte ya na my extended greetings ne bi ama no lyrical black wasi good morning lawyer Antina nyame enhyira won so na naji mind school prefect we duru ho dada o se monhye na ade e ba be hyen ehu hia nkasa na naji ma de enchi akese ma gina de edu se teledoma dokasadum na se obobo register no these people are regular listeners and viewers intino muhu din ni bi se a wo so beka sa ebusua no ho na enye fe Eric Kwabna Asante ono say good morning everyone yeguso na emre education ni ho hia me nti me nkofa eno embra yo lawyer Patrick yenya ati de bia yetete na obi besi enkanda normal conversation between two people na say two companies and two parties no se me bisa wasem na asem kro no wo mwaye a o ma me mwaye se wonni mwaye nso a o se wo ka kire me se wonni mwaye anything yenim se whenever we do our applications at the call home officer two things either some be granting application na ya be granting success application and also make us refuse to net say unsuccessful application enti both results beba no ohwemu a I mean like the explanation I gave said conversation between two parties no so maybe so asema so ma memwaye but here is the case sometimes na home office for omo refuse a wonte hwe wo de onim ena se wote ho na wo twen omo nso omo refuse o omo nka nkyerɛw unama santa na wako fallen victim wa baby ye so mu wonim se wa ye nkrata o ye okay enso ye se refuse ntine ya chew na ye no ko not just that instance but we've got different instances etumi si ansa na obehun se ye refuse ukra na che se baby edu no na ye din se obenya chance mpo appeal unya se obenya chance mpo aye reapplication mpo unya enance esanse won't say home office for ayeden I refuse so nti ene ye bisa say ene home office for no ye question di mo ne say in the home office is the home office legally required to provide me with a decision notice if my application has been refused? Question I maybe say lawyer Patrick mpacho muni mpenimfo mona debia muni home office for di nkomo legally require anase inform we refuse mpacho nti cheche mu from beginning na ye hu baby ayigina next time bibi sa ato ya na ehu anamoko a ye beto nti wadaroma metuma na cheche ye mu kakra.
Okay, Manye, thank you very much. I think intro no a very succinct summary of the yeba discussing in yes, a facet wire application. Now the expectation is yes application you at some point as a union decision. Whether say a positive decision and also a negative decision. That is the expectation. So will be a application. Until where when you positive decision there, a energy na ba, ntino ye nyina ye jitum. But what of say be a decision no a negative. So yes, so we application the home office. Na application no omo consider we are as a home office for a brewo decision. Now, before na home office for decisions the omo yen say omo throw letter na omo dia brew through the post na omo sa kan and also say omo de be fa o lawyer so na o lawyer no e the amount say o fa lawyer. Nowadays the home office for ANS said ye be ya ye nyina ye be save ye planet ni majority of the decisions now eba through email. Into either say one we year application and I would do email share so into the application decision ebe brought by email. anaso say o lawyer na ye ma o nti omo decide decision no ebekwa akoma no through email as well. There are a few exceptions. For instance, say oye Zambrano application you say some applications no aya omo de by email there, but it be also again omo de by post. But apart from no immigration applications do ni nyina na saying decision about by email. Bear in mind, sir, because by email, so one kasa na wo year application. There's a risk say be na won check email no on a regular basis. Maybe a decision number na akwakoto email so na unhue. And also say a cost spam. Now, say o decision no a spam. Things are over 30 days as a one check here, a bit delete automatically. That is just to save space. It is ena etie say we application no na one ko check o decision na e betimi aba say ya make decision na when na weni apaso. The problem with that ne say sa decision na ya make no say a negative decision na you are likely to lose your time na ye dey amount say esese nka o appeal against that decision no. And only the risk a wom say you send it decision by email. Na no so ntina esese ye share no nso. And that is why yen as a firm no ye application ma ye email and atada mo behu say ehye so say home office for emfa decision mrain. And also say yen business address and the war a postal address esese ye receive decision and no was so. So that is how we work it. So the question is, it is a home office and make it decision, especially say a negative decision. As I say, omo notice na. That is the question, because you who said saying in 4 year applications, especially omo Ghana no. Ube na obia ye application ko na wakwa koji ne passport. Yes, ombaji ne passport. Wakoji passport no, okoji ye no visa mbom anase vignette bia mbom. Ono so a ye man a decision. Na ohun say application no ekoye ana anko ana decision no ya refuse no ana ya grant no na ohun na wani aye wontanta. And that is why we are dealing with this topic. Na yehu ye bebia ye jina any how ye betimi are dealing with it. Into yes, legally no the home office no is required says omo ye decision or application no so a esese omo serve sa decision no nti ye mra ebo ho ban no ye immigration notices regulations are year 2003 eno na ebo ho ban nti sa regulations no so o hwe regulation 4:1 na echirechiremu de esese home office ye na de all can say home office decision immigration decision concerning obia sa decision no appealable esese omoma nipakro no aware said the beya nipakro no ebehu say decision say ene ya making. And so say okay regulation 7:1 na and also prescribe kwaya esese home office for ever notify of that decision no. Ebi yese obesend by email at the amount. Ebi yese obesend by fax. Ebi yese obetro will letter. Now or there two post to mudi abra. Whether say one kasa postal address and also say bia say okofa lawyer no postal address and also any email. And no one nyina ye kwan a emra no a prescribe there to say esese home office for faso na omode serve with decision notice no. And no pa ho a se o share a regulation 5 a honum na and also so tire home office decision na o ma making no enema esese e what that decision nimo enti especially regulation 5:3 no e tire yen say so o ma o decision na esese that decision no it comes with a statement that e tire will say decision na you making it, so you have the reasons for that decision na o ma making no. Oma mouse are reasons na wie no esese omo kire wo se sa decision we ubetimi appeal against that decision no. ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ how long a wobɛtumi de appeal against saa decision no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ baabi a wobɛtumi ayɛ saa appeal no de afiri ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛma wo akwankyerɛ kwan a wobɛfa so a ebi a wohia mmoa a wobɛtumi anya saa mmoa no saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ mmara no mu a ɛsɛ sɛ home office for edi so nti sɛ wokɔyɛ application na decision aba wakɔgye wo passport na ɛyɛ biribi anim a ɛkyerɛkyerɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ɛbɛtumi ama ɛyɛ bi next step a ɛsɛ sɛ wo take no ɛtumi ato sini nti sɛ woanya decision na it means sɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a wontumi appeal against that decision no but sɛ woanya decision no so na anaasɛ decision no ba na ankyerɛkyerɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ɛbɛtumi ama decision no ayɛ defective as well ayɛ no so no wobɛtumi a challenge wɔn so then sɛ home office for anaasɛ sɛ mmara no ka sɛ home office for make a decision on immigration na saa decision no ɛyɛ appealable na ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo notify wa ɛdeɛn ne appealable decision na yɛka no right saa appealable decision no yɛbɛhu no wɔ yɛ mmara no mu mmara no ɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn ne nyinaa nti sɛ wohwɛ yɛ Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 a ɔma amend no na ɛkyerɛ yɛn ɛyɛ decisions a home office ayɛ a ɛyɛ appealable however sɛnea meka yɛ no saa mmara no ya amend no since 2014 under the Immigration Act no now before the amendment no na the section 82 near 2002 mmara no ɛma akwanya bebree sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a home office make a decision bi a wobɛtumi appeal against saa decision no na ebi yɛ visitors visa nso yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛ ɛne a yɛka sɛ majority of the visitor visa applications no yɛ refuse a wontumi appeal against it unless sɛ ɛwɔ biribi wɔ mu a borders on human rights ɛna watumi appeal in fact sɛ ebi a wokɔfa ɔbaaba na ɔba no yɛ refuse na yes because sɛ ɛyɛ abusua ne abusua ɛne akwalaa ne maame enti no anaasɛ maame ne akwalaa enti no yes wobɛtumi anya kwan a appeal against that decision no so ɛno na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ no nso fast forward to yɛyɛ nsakyerɛeɛ wɔ mmara no mu no ama nneɛma bebree asesa enti ɛnyɛ decisions ne nyinaa na wobɛtumi appeal against it however where wontumi appeal against that decision no ɛkwan foforɔ wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi de afa so ebi yɛ sɛ ebi a wobɛnya administrative review anaaso sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ judicial review against saa decision no okay nti sɛsi ayɛ a yɛkasa yi decisions bɛn ɛna sɛ home office yɛ na ɛyɛ negative a anaasɛ sɛ yɛ refuse a wobɛtumi appeal against it sɛdeɛ maka no it is contained under section 82 of NIA Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 as amended nti saa mmara no ɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ home office ɛyɛ decision a ɛyɛ protection decision anaasɛ wakɔyɛ asylum yɛ refuse anaasɛ sɛ wayɛ application bi a human rights element ɛwɔ mu a ɛsɛ sɛ ne nyinaa no yɛtumi ma wo ho kwan na wotumi appeal anaasɛ ɔmutumi ɛkyerɛ wo na wo appeal against that decision no apart from ɛno so no sɛ decision no ɛyɛ EU decision under regulation 16 ɛna nansɛn yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ yɛayɛ nsakyerɛeɛ ɛwɔ mmara no mu nti yɛwɔ appendix EU ɛne USS nti no mu nyinaa no yɛ decisions a under yɛ Nationality and Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 section 82 no ɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ home office etumi ɛbɔ wɔ maneɛ ɔma reasons for saa decision na wayɛ no ɛne kwan a wobɛfa so a wobɛ challenge saa decision no ne nyinaa no ɛsɛ sɛ home office for no ɛkyerɛ wo nti yes saa na mmara no ɛka na wobɛhu sɛ woma ama wo saa kwanya no na wantumi anyɛ deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ a time ni wafa saa bear in mind sɛ woyɛ application na you refuse wa depending on baby a application free any the sort of application why no your time duration ewo ho nti say we application within the UK na you refuse wa or 14 days obetimi e dey a challenge sa decision no and as we application from outside of the UK so and also no 28 days say utimi e dey challenge sa decision no that is if sa decision no appealable nti no time no so na ye can no days and your working days insunsuye them and time no so started from when you make a decision no nti ene ya make a decision 14 days no say you can year na started count from ene ya me no kasai it's so count 14 days so all kind 14 days and answer 28 days na weekends nyina eka ho and so it makes it really very difficult so mesia na woni pound kakra bia obehun se days nyina ba besin na ebia de sesa wo ye no na wentimi anye all because ebia wenya wo decision no and as a home office for amfa decision no amount and as say almost Sunday e na akwakoto o junk memu nti uni access to it when nyina betimi akoso eye problem e the amount because then so wenya decision na untimi nya saa kwanya no na appeal bia esese nka wo ye and also say administrative review bia na nka esese wo ye no watimi aye nti ni nyina no etimi ema nsunsuaso eba wo so because o miss out o time na esese wo dey appeal na o ko na wakology appeal na court no be kan tell say o time no apa ho it means say esese wo kosre court for extension of time say indeed unsanka decision no and as unsaka na a defective you may be able to challenge them and then get them to extend time for you to appeal against the decision but ni nyina say obetoto niema yi say nya wa na your application no na lawyer na ye ma wa they be able to submit an extension of time application na or the asere court no ama court no ama okwan ema wo dey appeal against that decision so decision no so ye defective bear in mind say because ye defective ninti no time na ya ka say essentially what the appeal started from when the decision was made you know some time no ebe stop to run because decision no defective because the emrana prescribe says say home office for itself say na obetimi aye no o man kan chiro home office for guidance since September 2022 a chechew decisions obetimi appeal o matroche ni nyina mu honom saa so na o hwe section 113 of NEA 2002 and also so chechew asylum application de etie human rights application sene etie ene kwan a obefa so a saa decisions ni nyina obetimi appeal against it so manye it is very 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 important say your application email ye de yes application no ye be checking on a regular basis ye be call your junk mail ye be call your spam na ye timi a check ehu say decision number anasa emaye say indeed decision emaye and a home office for atro say beje o passport wakoje visa mom vignette mom ya ma bibia again o akwanya say obetimi a challenge omo yes obetimi a challenge omo by writing to them say onsanka decision no even though unsaka passport na visa enim no onsanka say unsaka sa decision no ya yes again obetimi anya kwanya obetimi a make appeal against sa decision ne nyina ne se obetoto niema ye se wonnim ne ye wo ya da bia meka se ment na fie na enye because yes ye be kyerɛkyerɛ aniema mu enye aha ne benya kwan akyerɛkyerɛ ne nyina mu kosi ase even though we try as much say ye be breaking down say the be ya obeti ase but eba se ye challenge home office e wo niema bi sei hu a aya na ye de emra ene niema bi ekekeka ho ehyemu din ehyemu kana se de be ya watertight na omonsa ka omo hu se we ekwan bia ni baabi a ode ko challenge omo na ese se omo ye ne ese se omo ye na omo ma wakwanya no na court nso so etumi ma wakwanya na o appeal against her decision no manye na kakra o ho no.
Yola Patrick Medase, senior watching no sa na tie dodo na amutie yem yesrem ani die mu senior lawyer akyekire mu no sa yem bia wanti bibia se akonya wo ho a obetumi afrɛ na webisa further explanation and asentche mu yie na wenya na bibia ode kan ho ye mede ne se o say wo hom most of the time no say bi mu be application a ebia na email krom ni bio into that point na or better try to create and generate an email non-finance application no into what tray no MB now I nice password be hoping and as thinking so bet me a her password no obe ho submit application e kwa ni refi password no so wan try to ho even how to access that particular email no so na akwaya asem ebi a onimpo say to me forgetting password na wakwa access wo baby enti we nnoma nkitinkiti no say ehye ne nso sanso na emails ni bi wo ho a lot of people I mean they don't use email enye hwe so the first time I use email na no onim say you have to be checking your emails regularly and edwuma oye no emfa email ho edwuma oye no hwe nkyerɛ sɛ ɔnkɔ hwɛ ne email anaasɛ ɔno anabrabo mu bi ɔne email ni twakan bia nanso na ne refi sɛ ɔde email na yɛ a very important application bi akɔ efikasie mu nti na ɔsɛ saa no on check email no regular ebi mu kra nim po sɛ email no yɛ wɔ bibi e friend spam anaasɛ junk ebi mu so nim saa nienti a many abre wo ho no I happen to be teaching some few adults ye kaso mun create email na ye obibisa na ade ani junk ade ani spam they have no idea intimi nim say obi ken e face such problem many other for many say eba ne say why ye email bi now their application abomodiam na check it odi onim kra kona ko hu lawyers no monye ma menim say ya ba lawyers nso ya no bi say o say metie lawyer wo program so na me metimi aye ma application ade na me sanfa lawyer so there are few technical issues be no mbia na wanko hu ni ye through this platform but omunim senior lawyer Patrick ekan lawyer Patrick afayenko yenim enti no say me bisa one or two questions based on yesua sisia o kan bibi say there is a pointer ye to make the passport no e de brew na hwe nim obese hwe enim enti no sa na unim say you refuse you have no idea. Until when you fall into that category and I say when who sa bibia once MBA you've not checked your emails no for that period that obe won say MB kana what chance be to appeal and I said wakwa ko hu email afi no akọ passport ne ba ye chire na wo check email na che say even no my decision I send you the email no kra and sign our passport do nten enti say about 14 days to appeal la na obehwe no ayembia no na sa 14 days na etwem mesra wo eba ne sa a step by step no embia na nye lawyer na okohu no wo na ogina wo nanso na wo ye wo hade step by step we hu decision aba say embia na ye refuse and say you stand a chance to appeal enti no step by step no edie na o say wo ye because your passport na ba ehwi nim o can say mbia ombetumi aka say the person is still waiting for a decision from the home office but here is the case no okwa checking his spam mu and answer ni junk mu decision ni bia ba nke wo say or stand a chance to appeal wanye na emre no nso ayema no etwem la Patrick edena o say wo ye
Right, Manye, that's a very, very good question. Now, bear in mind that one our application, Eddie will email Asheso. Now, Home Office for make a decision. Almost the decision of Bebrel. So, where Home Office for edit decision Abrel. Now, and near ma ya church no pay no or ma follow no senior etieno. It means say ya ma who kwan say ubetimi appeal against that decision no na wanye na time a ye de ama no epa ho a na eye wo na waye nti say wo court say afei na unsaka decision no ana afei na wahu decision no wo akọ appeal against that decision na ɛsɛ sɛ wotimi ma court no reasons ntia home office ɛde decision ne brɛw na ɔmo ma wo time sɛ time say na wobɛtumi ɛde ayɛ appeal anaasɛ administrative review na wanyɛ no within saa time no ɛyɛ wo ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ woma saa reason no die nti a wanyɛ saa then sɛ ɛkɔ wo spam a yes wobɛtumi aka saa reason no but ɛyɛ reason a ɛtɔ ase mu ana well it depends on the ɔhwɛ saa application to appeal na or the amount no say either so obeji atuma na so onyentu because yes say bibi call or spam box mu a e kan wo email no ho so the expectation is say wo check wo inbox a o spam no so ka ho because as say wo insusue bi say so obi send o email na ankoto wo inbox no mu a ebetimi akoto o spam no mu until once you check wo inbox no as I say, ultimate check o junk mail and answer o spam box no so. Now we say bibia kotuma ehia say o respond to her. Nti eno no ne ade a esese oyɛ. Se wo kɔ court no na afei na wahu decision na wo kɔ appeal a ɛkyɛw pa na wo de kɔ court no akɔpa o mo kyerɛ sɛ yes e bia decision no buy but e bia ɛkɔ o junk mail nti no wanhu na wasrɛ court no apa na kyɛw na what me aje yes appeal no ediatum because bear in mind home office ankasa no enlusu hwe so mo ma ho kwan say appeal against our decision so half of the time no and I say most of the time no say utimi ema good reason tia when timi anye appeal no within the time na nka sese wo ye no na court no betimi ama ho kwan ama wa continue with the appeal no manye.
You lawyer Patrick Meda Sibium na obi bisa me say na is there any possibility say lawyers no so their form so no decision ya kwa copy of junk mail na almost on time. It's funny though, but lawyers no more email they are very active you know na before they will miss an email no na just a one hour email na person me but I believe said definitely the lawyers also keep checking their junk mails and spam mails no na omo hu say obi can away at their ban and of course on say when you exchange emails with a particular firm and so there is no way that firm sending you an email best call spam it's most of the time your first time emails no na ya na obi respond na so omo throw about ho a etumi call spam money o junk monti eno so yen hye ne so la pa che me da se ne nchechemu a wo de abrɛm na question ba ko so a me raise ye ne say o ka bibi say mbia na humanitarian visa ana o ya visitors visa na based on a bit of humanitarian reason into no obetumi appeal for that visa say ba ne say you refuse so a enti eno sa no na enchechem na obi ka okay ono ne yire ne mba ne ba say ewa ha say but ono mo in particular no nya na adwen say ono so ba betna abrocho won adwuma papa a oye ofie a bibia enti okoje ye ka ne sen visitors visa say opese oba na ombesra ne yire ne mba but you refuse no based on one or two things. Inti eno sa no owo nkwala wa ha no owo ma wa ha no. Is there any possibility to bet me gina so say nimba wa ho person obehwe mo under humanitarian grants no na wetumi appeal ana abraye state wo ni wenimo refusal wenimo say you can't appeal the decision o mai make no mpacho betumi egina bibi so aye.
Yes, Manya, obetimi because so visitors visa application now yes indeed uba besra webusia it raises the issue of family life any human rights issue as well. Into yes obetimi anya kwanya na wa appeal against our decision so ma no ho kwan again obetimi a judicial review against our decision na home office for no etimi ama no ho kwan. Now the problem with that and then said not with the application to appeal no but the problem with the visitors visa application na nipa we or and then said so uwo eyere wa ha Owo mawaha. Na okoye application say oba visitor. Nipa na all make it decision no. What comes to the forefront of their mind and say, bia, oh try say ube go through the back door to come and stay. And then they see says oh yere or hadia. Na bia ubetimi aye spousal application there. Then why go use the visitor visa route? Adenti na wonkoye appendix FM application na won famba. And then su kra de yenim say sa applications ni nyina no. Akwenya wo ho a ubetimi aye the friend no a fee waiver no say untimi afford fee na ubetimi aye fee waiver. So then there's no issue to do with untimi afford application no enti na onyeye. Nti say one na wo koye o visitors visa application, not the intention no enye say o de ba betena ha permanently, but genuinely your visitors visa application. Then as I say what to do near my because the consideration of visitors visa application no very very subjective. Nipa na all make it decision no and or he say wona wo ba no ubetimi actually a demonstrate say indeed say oba obesan wachi akwa na. That is the question. Inti say obesan wachi akwa edin ene bema wo ubedu ha oyere oma ewa ha obesan wachi akọ Ghana. Edin poti na wo Ghana nti a ebetwe akọ. Edin poti ena wo Nigeria ebetwe akọ. Edin poti ena wo Italy a ebesan atwe akọ. Those are the questions omu bisa omu ho. Enye questions wo na wo kire omu. Esese wo na wo demonstrate say oba obesan akọ. But they will be asking themselves these questions. And those answers, no, woman kasabete kisa answers, no. So when you're convinced that you probably will not get the visitor's visa. And the only way you probably would, resolve this is by challenging it. Na ebia onsaka, and also say still na no onsanka. However, so when say the intention is say oh babet nadia, then why not go through the right channel, submit application ebema 2.5 years now waba. Uba now be this 6 months uba ye bibi kakra bi now pesa kwa. You can just go and come back. And no mumbe boa sense bia yes uba kwa koye application ho insem no eye bebre na ye be refuse na afi na o challenge manye.
Samo no se ne onye na adwe so betena abrochire. Ne ho so no wo de Ghana na ote no nti no on your visit keke no aba na okọ papa na lawyer dia betu ho no home office for no my employ for no mo di se adwuma no we be say my psychology da nti no things when it comes to things questioning the mind and what answer is available to them no omunim pa nti no wo na say to me prove say question where I will be say me answer me and that is the correct answer or so when I also prove sir but so no abegina no ne answer ne so dia de bia on be refuse sir nti sa na tie oni adofo yeguso ewa ha wo question bia opese wo bi sir it could be say and that topic ayesua no wo question was so enye no nso we are not limiting you betin bisa question bia efa family law home efa ye can say immigration home efa litigation circumstances efa mitigation so you betumi ebise bibia emra ye ba ne mra ubetumi ebisa lawyer Patrick wa ha lawyer Debra wa ha na omunchechire mum emfama yenhwe ye kan say efidie no so dodo na aba na omo edi nchia kese ma ye any question 1 or 2 bi ewo so na afi yenhwe yembie telephone lines no and the telephone line ebedi dwuma ensesa ye se nia monim na enoa na ebe use so enti misra mo share program na ma ene ma share pa nti mo pemwa ewo K4 mo share dia K4 emwa wo mo share program na BWF Solicitors and so mo share program no ema ye na nkwa chichichichichichi ye call Teresa Mame Teresa Jewana Teresa Duchumwa say good morning lawyer Sana Richie na now say to good morning lawyer Patrick na yejemoso Kevin Asamanso the good morning man any lawyer Patrick yejemoso ya boachi ajeman say good morning team BWF Solicitors and all fellow students na just obo omo a etie fododo na ebaso no na Sana mami da kwanzo say good morning lovely family mami yenso yejewoso Evelyn don't got the question be abeto hon mention it quickly now yembie telephone lines into Evelyn Donko saying, good morning. Oh, I deal with the you, Miss Remomeba. Obia temper with my oh my days, Miss Remomeba.
Hello.
And Pacho, hold on 1 minute. I'm coming. Why?
Okay.
You, then is okay, yes. Yo, and Patrick, hold on 1 minute. Main kind of questions in the answer. I say, good morning, lawyer Patrick Emmanuel. Please, I went to Ghana with my Ghana passport. I have British passport. So when coming back, I showed my British passport to Ghana immigration, but they insisted I show them my Ghana passport because I may not be a Ghanaian. I had a tough time with the immigration officer. Please, are they right to do that? Thank you. Question where the you. Hello, Patrick. Are the immigration officers right to request your Ghanaian passports if indeed you are Ghanaian whilst you hold a British passport in Patrick?
Okay, so I mean, it's a bit funny, and the reason I say that is okay. Inti nipa na backroom ho. First of all, ya mana backroom. Abeye de obeye nyina awie. Se sebe boni bi na oba se obedi a nka wabedi saa boni na awie a opia ko. Afe ansa na ye bebisa no ekrokra ofri so. I think that is a bit, questionable. But yes, so Utu Kwanya, the reason why she may have been stopped, and that's again the reason why I say, to allow her to enter the country now, but for questions, a bit, I don't know why that happened, but the nipa me sure say oye and say all Ghana no because say oye Ghana ni no okuta ne Ghanaian passport and okuta ne British passport. So we are Ghana ni na wo ko krom ana wo free krobia so na wo ko krom na saa kro no omo practice dual citizenship ha. Then it means say we nipa baako but wo free krom yi no so. Nti say wo ko o mother country na yes ubetimi ede o passport nako and ehia sa obekwa akogye visa. And this is why this person traveled on a Ghanaian passport. Nti nipa mimi nsusie ne say all Ghana no because say oye Ghana ni no or the Ghanaian passport no any two kwan no nti okoye no onhia visa or the Ghana passport no any remu e de call ye chrome all ba no esese ochire die nti a owo ho kwan say oba krom ha so oba krom ha esese otimi show say oba krom ha owo bibia ema no ho kwanya say oba krom ha either say oba betna ha and also say visitor visa no wache. It's say otimi echresa. Eno ne o British passport because I know na ma ho kwan say obetimi abakroma. Eno na say immigration for no omo check. Minim de nti a omo insisi say ombehwe ne Ghana passport. But in any case, una wutu kwan. Wakodo o de o British passport achre. Yes, it's say ye hwe wo Ghana passport. Manye, I wouldn't wait 1 second to pull my Ghanaian passport to show say me a Ghana ni na menyem atwamu akome baby. So say ye delay ye nua be ya I think say e fa baby no e bia na ono so contribute to sad delay no because it was a simple instruction say my yenhwe o Ghanaian passport e che say o ye Ghana ni e bia na omunsusuye ne say because say o de ye British passport no na e kire wo mo no u breachi ye immigration law na ewo Ghana no because yenim say esese wo ko na onye Ghana ni a ebia oje visa free here ansa na wako anasa obeje visa no ewo port ansa na wawura mu nti say ukuta British passport no na empty na hwe enimu a then yes indeed esese immigration officers no question the enti a oba ye krom ha one fa mra kwan so one fa kwan papa so ambe wura ye krom na emu no memi susue mu de esese nka omo ye saa checks no ansana we wura krom no manye
na say Ghana ye bi mo nso no ya na ahisam kakra ye yende todo ebi wa ye betina brochre saa na edu airport a ye feel say yenim chen omo nso nti ya na omuyo edwuma na ye pese e kanta me hu bebre even no ko Ghana embassy or cry bi mo ye kasa o da bi Eunice na mo buefu na misremo obia ye na edwuma obi enti ye accept say or ye na edwuma ade a we bisa no wa kire no because obi nti you going through all this tough time no you could have avoided it odofo wa homa so kafra mpacha wo kase free me ente wonka
Me bacha me kasa Freelander.
yo mpacha
good morning.
you good morning
Bacha we aboko.
adom nkwa na ahwe yie won so
Na me adum mo me na me adum ye da. Lawyer so asi. Bacha me question to me busa lawyer.
kosoma
Me bacha my application for naturalization.
okay
Na me koye no me component no mo ka me so within 7 to 10 days. Let's say a home office for an income. But almost nearly 2 months to me, email me so my be worried that it's me just and
you lawyer be you man e bia na ye ka ho asem no say it could be said they've even replied you long time akopie spam one and so junk one and be na regularly nhwe enti no it's possible but yentie ne lawyer so be can say ayem bia ne kwan so ana yo lawyer Patrick
Yes, Manye. So first of all, no, baby, Madam Coborn in Sano, omonye immigration officers, omonye decision making officers, omoni home office for year juma. And you know, omoni a year influence over decision via home office and asset nationality department no obemeki. So they are not able to tell you when a decision no ebeba. So it was wrong to start with. Some mechanical say, "Oh, decision no ebeba within 10 working days." No, that is not the case. So we nationality application the standard time is say 6 months. You know, but there are times omutimi make a decision a lot more earlier than that time, and then so there yenim say enema bebre ewo ya kwam ye wo backlog very long ewo honom and sana Ukraine so ababeka ho nti enomu no nyina ma yen applications ni bebre ho a sesenka bia ye no a lot quicker no etimi check akra but 7 to 10 working days now omuka che no pacho enye no enye correct unless case worker no wa share application when we say no here so be waste time no why decision there that's fine but enye de omuka che wo biometric center no enye no na home office for no e de year adwuma ti pacho share no so give yourself some time wako 2 months ma home rec akra ka ho ebeba. And if you did the application correctly and also meet the requirement now, then you are assured that ubenya a successful decision. Manye. Right, Manye. I think that I think so. When me too, you know. Right. Okay, still, still.
Sorry, Mpamucho.
Right, okay.
Yeah, my system, the mafeno. Yo, order for one, Maso Kafra, yeah, Joe, so na Mpacho, Okasa frame yente onka.
Pacho, because every meeting came.
Yo, Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Where the question now will be beside lawyer Patrick. HH about will be also called Ghana or then a British passport, then a Ghana passport. No. Me call Ghana me by just 3 days ago.
Okay.
The same thing to say lawyer Patrick. I said to him, me beside immigration officer, and as much as to say, me the Ghana passport to buy, I just say me again and me call and I'm saying me need visa warming British passport to me. Me I'm passing me again and it's straightforward. What they try no one also call into them kind I Ghana for Yenya Botre or Yenya Botre into where the contribution a year 3 days ago, yeah, and Madam was it.
Yo, yes, yeah, that's it. Sanya, you know, yes, yeah, that's it. Na American, I told you, yeah, Ghana for no. You see, when we are in abroad, no, uko ubroni officer. Let me put it that way. Uko ubroni officer, ni all canon na oye. Bibia wake bia, but yeah, yes, yeah, who I am. Minim say ye denyo, say ye denyo. Ute hu pa ubisa we na upese utre no. I remember very well last 2 weeks mo Ghana embassy hop. Na obi bae si on fire can say or your application and them say document now also show no back enso ye nti e ka say there without that no yem proceed eh ho another in sabo na de no pan and am refund me say monye de eh now I was like cratch it to boy to boy documents out there be see enso so they can proceed with the application call na sign cover bra or say kokoko because of manko na aba nti osan na cha sa kwatre man kopa koyi sa document ene o cancel application no o cancel no so o say o mo refund o ho na yen refund no which ushomwa we don't do it that way papa na training mun
That's true.
say you can't do that still our insist mo na na obo table so na ade some of this attitude no yet towards it because untumi nko broni office ka say ene pan you should refund me you can't do that so ho ade no
That's true.
enti no Ghana for misramo yenya abotrema ye ho obia ya kye na adwuma a oye unless utumi ho se nipa ko na de oye incompetence ene ya wo ho kwan se wo report ma management enya na enim ho na obebobo obonoma say wo onya na adwuma ye wo mfa nkyere no I'm not going to show you my passport I'm not going to hey emboa ye Ghana for ye follow instruction na enye nyina asom ye embra yo 0208123116 and that's 073 9920 8468 ubetumi afre na wonso we bisa o questions anso na ubetumi eja message ewo voice note so ewo WhatsApp yi eye 0759662015 me wo question ba ko ana ye mbisa o say good morning Manyeti good morning lawyer Patrick I am French national settled in the UK. I got married 2017 with Ghanaian national who is currently residing in France with my 4-year-old daughter who is French national. What are the procedure and requirements to bring them from France to live with me in the UK? Thank you. Patroni question no. Lawyer Patrick. Say what me there? What me can?
Right, yes, manya. Enti yenue ose waware ne yere since 2017. And so odi omu nyina kodi France. Omote honum. Ono ankasa mu no French national. Wabetina krom ha. So my assumption is waye ni EU settlement scheme nibi ama ya mano status under the scheme. So waye sa there then na under an S1 no wababe a relevant EU citizen oti krom ha. So sanity there because he nim say what form on the relationship no before the deadline date of 31st December 2020 no still no or wakwenya say the wife and then the man ombetimi aba so omo ye citizens wo ho because omo amba be remu before ansa na ye free mu no omo ntimi emma be remu enkasa omo obetena ha on their own unless it be a omo ba visit nti as is all year application emma omo for family permit na omo nam so free France edeba.
Okay, yo. Say utie into no yeah na wamame wait dada. Yo, order for wa homa so ma good morning pacho BWF Solicitors legal waso na we. O kasa frame yente onka.
Many about Nana Kwame.
Yo, Nana Kwame, you are welcome.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, nipa na obeka say onya tough time. This program where some of pay na more advice Ghanaians na so be wa continue. All free a hair con Bruni and a Bissau said, yeah, now they call Ghana because British passport won't be Heathrow or what which airport in UK. So that Ghana a visa and a passport, Yamaha embodied plane.
Sir.
Because who need visa to your country of destination.
Is true.
What banner or ye Bissau, the passport no show. Here, let's say all Ghana because we are to country in it, that's all Ghana. You are brought for most country. It was also drew her also young castle or catching you young castle again and yana send the color into on your gun. Woman and tree hopeful. Then I walk your called British High Commission. After said you almost woman. Or any fan why you man. Or sure be true. Or money on Casai. Now Casai or no Casai. I'll be just when you are tough time. Tough time for what? Passport to show each and cake. Maybe because that yeah, would you have say no where you where you Ghana your friends say
Embia
where
no
you
nim.
British passport.
Embia no nim. Ntina obi sa say e wo ho kwan say o ye no. Embia no nim.
I send no we onim pa.
Oh,
Then you say what? Each and what the NHS or Ghana any me passport me simple. That one free.
Yo, yes, yes, yeah, that's it. Oh, many about with your question, yes, yeah, bombard you, but Nyomo patron say you could have avoided this tough time now you went through. Why? Ain't no tia, my name house in there, your boy, baby. Yo, yent we so. Other for one who must pacho question no bisana yanko bansa na obe bisan pacho mami 1 second bi na me hwa de wa ha na say me madi mami we were say tough time and so I have but then we'll get to that near ka about tough time na say what to do no lawyer Patrick abecheche mu kama which is okay wacheche mu na kakra anya se manya kanada ba anya se me san boso biom but yen remind ye ho yesrem ani die mu yen remind ye ho you know ubetna broche kakra you learn from your community so ubetna mu usua ade kakra free mu na etode bia when we are relating to each other ya yen kromofo no na yen say yenim kakra ana yenim dodo chen omo yamfa ne say wherever they are no almost standard of working no either say eso weni ananse enso weni no sa na omo gina so e de ye omo adwuma enti se wo complain bi wo bibi nya wo de wo ho a authorities wo ho obetumi a request okay why ya dey say amame wa ko why memom embia na me ni ngi services a wo de ma me enti hina wan ho na metumi akọ na makọ make enti no ukọ na ye kyerɛwa and yes, you are making complaints say you be you be edi, but for them to what? Omon share sa, omon review no omon change that services. Say services no omon render no, and so customers ne near. Now omo to me ashe na omo asisan aba so wo ho baby department obeko bia no you have that freedom so obetumi aye complain say bibi enya wo de wo ho a obetumi enya wo ho kwan you're right say you complain to the services na ye render ma na anya wo de no obetumi aye but then ye wo procedure obeye se ne omo nso no ya na ebo omo na omo ntumi nye den and bring it change because mbia na service no omo render no enye enso customers enia they almost they have the right to change enti yen hye sa de ne nso yo papa odina so mpacho wadaroma o ka se free him ayente wonka
Manja, good morning.
Good morning.
Lawyer, is it lawyer?
Lawyer Patrick. Good.
Lawyer Patrick. Okay,
yes.
sorry.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
I'm saying I'm coming to be saying so. Me boss work. I was in Kroba. My flower. Judy, you can it.
Hey, sir. Now many bene kase misro.
What's it?
Bacho udin.
From home.
Yo koso.
Okay. Lawyer Patrick, my year application for extension for 2.5 years maybe. Nah, which didn't know me ana me ye. Ma kubo mensano wo baby boy ensano na 7 months ni. Me kubo mensano ba na but the Mokobo means UK, as I'm saying, UK VS. Yeah, almost sending me email and message say they can confirm to me say getting for no I receive the supporting documents.
Okay.
A basic necessary minimum say. Home office for no enka se ma ha ana ni ya kra na twe kakra na de me te hwe mazomfo so kakra no mo ha me na me de na me ko bo me nsa me ko no pia na ya frem what's me de by 6 months ni aze me nsa famra intino me hu de me ya la ya bi o ha me tima ya na
yo la be ma oh yes ya edra no po me ma ma chikra bo yo papa la Patrick yenua be me 7 months o nanka ye was 6 months waiting time na 7 months de bia beto so e de anamo na so otu na adwuma mu fo ha no.
Right, we the on kafra. Like Debbie, be man who mo enti ontie ni man. Good morning. Yes.
Okay. Good morning. So in regards to that, 6 months is the standard time to receive a decision for your immigration application. However, as Lawyer Patrick has already stated, there's a backlog. So COVID-19 and also the Ukraine crisis has meant that the Home Office have different priorities now. So perhaps they haven't yet seen your application, but I would say, they've issued a guidance to say that 11 months now is the standard waiting time, and that could even be more. So I'll say with 7 months, you still have at least 4 months left before you're able to hear anything. So I'll say please have patience and wait, and let's hope that by the 11th month or even before that, you would have heard something from Home Office. But rest assured that the application is with them. They've received your supporting documents.
Okay, so Lawyer Debbie, poto kasem no nyina ne titia no say yes. Nanka emre bi atwam no na enim so your application no kwa within 6 months no nanka e bia wanya wo decision. Yenim say since Ukraine buy Home Office afa sebe nyansa kwan so aye nsacharaye kakra sebe ya omususo ani betumi akọ omunyina amansan mra omode omonsa akọ sha sie bi no omani betumi akọ se omobebo Ukraine fo a omu edwane abebo omo ho adwa wa ha no eban nti ama nsacharaye abakakra nti first no sa 6 months na ye nyina ye ni daso no ene omse daabi wo ye application na ebia ugina wo baso anaso se wankasa private life na ugina so ede ye ya ebetimi eteki 11 months ede kro se bibia nsi kwan a ombeye decision nemom even after sa 11 months no se bia bibi wo ho nti omu ntimi nya decision a ebetimi abrosa nti ye besre na katachi enya abotre kakra se the wedi kan aka no UK Vicars for sending the documents no at their common Home Office for ama no confirmation say omon saka the documents no, which means say eyasem papa afe na omo hwe na omo make a decision. Once omo hwe make a decision no, there bia ye ka the right now na wo ho ansa na o making the application no. It doesn't extinguish in free honum. Eda so wo honum into section 3C ebebo no ho ban. Na juma na oye no omuntimi nyina de omuntimi suspend no de ombeya ne so mbebisa obisa on kantrom se waye na application on fa ne reference number ne ma omo na onja o ma omo se omo na mmra no hye omo se omo nye de ye frɛ no employer checking service omo nkoye omo adwuma manye
sa yeda se dwumfo ne bi ha adwen bi mo human resource we bi ye lazy ankasa na ye ba no se be fine ne omo 5000 de no mo ho pre omo yo uketechie mesra we ni de mo ye wie program na afre me nya sure say wa afre me amamfa my phone for the past 2-3 weeks my sokra nyina ye me ya me pick obia phone o frɛ na me ho miss call ne kra na my excuse adem bia me ye bia na ma frɛ entin frɛ me why ye nya odofo bi wa homa ne so na mpacho hold on 1 second answer na maybe say asem ma me kan one question bi ewo ade ne so answer na ye nua maame ya ejewa bisa very short one or say lawyer please how long does it take for Home Office to make decision on naturalization application done online? And say wanya answer no, I don't know say when I offer ya earlier on no, how long no obey my answer there, but Frank and so they can say please may I know your number and Oh, okay. What can may I know your number, Frank? Mr. Mpacho, why number now? Bisa, is it the program I hear your number now? Bisa me personal number, Mr. Obe to me. Question outside. Okay. Yati Mpacho, say me number now. Dia. Look at the one that we leave the voice note. 07596620154. No, friend no after the program now. Ubenyame, if that is the one you are looking for. Odo for one masumpacho, your frau say na okasa friend.
Manjeti mi pacho me abim from pon na me pese me follow up question kakra.
Okay.
Na edin kamida lawyer the was studio ne the ochichi move for ne lawyer Patrick.
Yeah,
na de na me pese lawyer Patrick ehun ne say UKVS for no there. I'm gonna confirm, man. I'm gonna send you say they can confirm to me say Sikisium phone has received my supporting document. But Sikisium phone and Casapa there. Lala be bien well, my send them say say and as I say me back on me worry back on and I told to be mono. Ain't no makasa 11 months. They say be bien you are meet my year and I be who meet my pacho me for that question.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick. I say if you can say money there na la you. Good morning, Kroma Manibio. Nti no sa na dia na onye.
Right, yo, Katasha Frimpon Manson. Enti, send tie ni. UKV CAS for no. A home office for na ede adwuma hye omonsa se omonye. Nti se wokọ na okọbọ wonsa no na ode documents na ema omo a asudie eda omo so se esese omo uploadu sa documents no ede koma home office for. Se omo ye sa de ni wi a esese omo notify omo bo amane se omo de wo documents no akoma home office. Ene ya me no kasei. Se wo ye application ede ko home office a enti se kane no omo ntro letter emfa mbese se sebe yensa aka wo application no. De ema wo hu se wa ye wo application no number 1 eye se wa wo tena ase a wo ye wo application no watuaka ya tisika na free account mu edi adanse se wa ye wo application edi adanse so se home office for ensa aka wo application no. Number 2 wo ye application ni wie yeso no wa book appointment akoye wo biometric. It is part of the consideration process no. Nti wo kobo wonsa no a again eno so ya adanse a ekire se home office for ensaka wa application. Enumu ni nyina di adanse na enu achi no ubisa se 7 months ekwen edie na ubetimi aye not a lot se ubisa mia unless se uwo bibi potin bi a wode kire. Yes, yedi kan aka wo platform yi so say yes se uwo bibi potin bi wo wa braboma eye exceptional enu ntino upese home office for expedite wa application a yes ubetimi aka kire wo no maye na sa bibia eye exceptional no ya bobo biso ebi ni se ebi a sebe wa ye ne wo kasai ohun kani bi anase obusuani bi a oben wo waka ba bi nti ese se wo kwa yie o papa o maame nti no wo ho adanse a obetimi ede a kire anaso se sebe ebi a yareson bi abo ese se wo koje ayaresa na se ayarehwe ewa amanone ya ma o date ya ma o bibia o twen senka officer ne beba na watimi akọ mai eno so betimi agina so e de aye application e de akọ home office omo expedite application enfama senye sa na tie na ebi a sebe obi kan hu na kakra e na bronya ebe nka opese ukona ukotwa si enye fusi small si e wo Ghana na odeba enti open ntema mepacho enye adwuma se ebia obabi na eware na enu ntino opese okọ wedding na eno so nye reason a se home office for expedite application me pacho okoka kire OMP se oka kire home officer you are likely to get the same answer na me dey ma osisia because omo ntimi influence hwe de omo be ye ne se omo bekwa ko pacha on your behalf omo ko pasa achewo na yes they are likely to get the same response me dey ma ono nti yes unless eniema amake kan bibi so bi poten bi e wo abrabo ma esese ye hwe na ye gina so na ye dey expedite application no it be very difficult say obe convince home office for say omo famre we na ni ochina
yo okay te chene wenya why
le part me da ni bank ni dash
Yes, yeah, that's it, Papa. Yes, yeah, that's it. Yen kind near Wahanon, so obi de aba Miss Momo de ba me direct number ni so na na you who aboard ni so. Say good morning, please. Theophilus, my question is, you family member in Osi is my question is I am EU family member. In my 5 years, do I qualify to bring my wife, which I'm about to go and marry? Oh, okay. And Osi afe no ko worry na or one 5 year muni. Into 5 years muni into bisa do I qualify to bring my wife, which I am about to go and marry? Patroni question, lawyer Patrick. Akonya wo homa na.
Right, Manye. As so you're a bit careful. The reason I say that is I say yeah EA family member.
Member.
You know, on church the family member no na deban say oye ba anase oyere anase oye kunu a okwa koware. Nti ese say ehye no nso. Say oye family member, the other thing so no say because say onye settled no untimi nkofa obi emfiri amano no emma say ohu kani. Ese say oye settled ansa. Nti ye nuye a okase or say over 5 years residence card ye dear mano say family member so ye yere anaso ye kunu no de say ono be chichi mu train anaso so ye ba no eno so chichi mu train. But the important point is because onye settled no ontimi enkonkofa obimma because ono amu na nkasa no oye family member onye EU ni oye EU ni so a nka ne a afi na oye na dwen se okọ ware obi de na bayi saa time na esese nka otimi de kire se ye free EU no form no relationship no eno so apa ho nti ye begina eye immigration rules no so ena or the aye application no amanaba nti no se ye nue you know owo adwen pobi se or ye we na de akofa ne ho kani na ba ene na onwini ho yie because onye settled into ontimenya manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick here does say, Yenua Franco Poco question now bisa no say if it's to do with immigration and I say family law and I say bibia. Yes, who can bet me bisa Lawyer Patrick be you why and I say who bisa and part of addition because you made mention of topic. You say topic na ye trend bia na nye no ho na opese obisa but then any other question relating to the program migration obe to me ebisa obe nso the voice note aba mebo ne short amayeti na ansa na media no beba no Emmanuel GC can I use my bank statement and pay slip to support my brother who want to study in the UK? My brother I deal with Emmanuel G. Menya sure. Lawyer Patrick, to me using the bank statement to support the brother or person or by UK based idea.
Right, on to me. I mean, Oma omotimi sponsor nko for ma ombesua de okrom ha no. Specified na brother enka ho. Se ye nua ya opese obesua de na wofo betimi aye. Se ye nua ba men ewu sika bi a opese ode boa ne nua na. De obetimi aye ne se obetimi di saa sika no ama ne nua no. Na ne nua no e de ato na account mu. Na ode show se owu sika na ode be application. And also say obetimi di ama your friend say na wofo so Ghana because omo na ne ba omo ba nti omo so betimi a kire say omo hwe omo ba no ema ne dia ko school but ono a oye nua no de dabi manye
on to me yo le apatre da se na mesa di dwuma no eda so etwagu wo screen ni obetumi afre ana weja voice note yentie ye nua be mai.
Good morning, Manny T. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. I mean, Shira Monet, my palm, ye. Pacha, Femi, Ama, me, Cassa free Leicester. Me, Pacha, who. Nam person be say, ye, near me, my grandchildren, eba, I say. Na, Obako, ya man, unya indefinite, no. Omo by 3 years, March. No. Me nya indefinite no ye man indefinite se abofra no kwa university nti Time bɛn ɛna obetumi apply for British book no. My first question no. Ɛna yiyuni a wɔware obi ɛde ne firi Ghana ba but aware no yɛ after the ɔmo free mu no after Brexit. Nti immigration law no ɛna onipa ko no ɛde baeɛ. Nti saa onipa no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ school a yɛbɛtumi ama no this year ya na ɔbaeɛ nkyɛn mu. Ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ school a obetumi anya support anaa aban betumi ka support no because sɛ de yere no yɛ yiyuni na anaa meda mo ase paa nyame nhyira mo na adwuma pa mo yɛ.
Okay, Lawyer Patrick, we'll be 2 questions. Na yenhwe say you kind nyina na mani moya.
Well, okay. So first question regarding your mofra now mabano. You so more indefinite. So see nationality laws no emu aye emre kakra. Nti yes omo have 3 years near. Ombetimi application discretionary, but because omo ye enkwala omo te ha omo na wa ha omo na nya application bia but yinim se omo wa ha omo ko school wa ha omo life ni bibia e wa ha no omo timi kyerɛkyerɛ omo nsɛmu ya yes omo timi make application no under section 3.1 no discretionary na yetimi ama omo citizenship. Number 2 no obi a wa back room ha on the basis of any EU national but under the immigration rules ni say o school a mmoaben na wo hodom. First of all no your residency requirement say umiti normally no 3 years. Nti yenua so oba ye encheye yenim se ni kunu wa ha na emom no wa ma on the basis of the EU law oba on the basis of your immigration rules no. Nti yes say otwen kakra na onya omiti residency requirement na what me I make application for help on that basis. Manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick here does message back on so abba or say or your software na or sorry wa ha na akonya ben kwan ben no betumi ejina asori ne so na wakope instrumentalist na musician aba na asori ne mo na ombeboa ne dwumadie no na obisa se akonya bi wo ho a document ben na o se ode kire na osofo we dia ukohu lawyers na nka omenya abotrechechiro mo pa o nti Lawyer Patrick mfacho obetumi ama no bibi kakra obetumi ede ono so
right manye akwanya no ho ye nyina nim se skilled worker route no aba na sa religious route yi so eka ho ti se sa na opeso ya akwanya no ho but se na usiti kan no yes ompinchen expert ombra o make appointment number office na yene international na yen church because say onya license chere so betimi de sa nkrofo nyina aba ene enema bebre keka account yes on pebre na omra na yene international manye
emre ni ho enka no nioma obehia for license nka o train mo because eno na obisa ho titiru but say osofo minim de but obetumi akwa hu lawyers na emre no yemre na aka 2 minutes na mimbisa the last question no na was not testing you. Maybe that last question or not. Sorry, yenim. When so say yeah, student dependent. Oba mobile kromoni ni kunu na student na on ne yere ono ye dependent. Enti oba ya brand ni sha school asie say okoye enrollment na ya de abanti next payment fee na so de kono. Ni papa ne ni da so se obetua ma no empofrom papa no aka baabi sika ojae no na kire se enya de ti se so otwen na ni o benefit bi a ne papa wo insurance eni o ma bebre bi ansa na obetumi nya bi etua but akonya ni ho sa onto men 20 we jai school no na ne yire nyame adomo no okonya adwuma pa eye care work yi bi big very big company wo kroma or ye na adwuma nti omo nso no eduru me bi omo se oso omo ye sponsor no ede ma no nti obetron so hwe say obefa ha betron so hwe English ni bi ma apasima sisia no company na grant no my course na ma no omo asa aman permanent job a oye wo ho nti akoba ne se o se ne kunu no sisi ani kunu wa bedane dependent wo ba no so but when no be say there no so you say ni kunu no so ye different application and I said ono na we nya no o fill the form no kan say oni ni kunu no eno ano no we wi mpacho e there no so ye.
Right, okay. So yeah, the nyamia say when you akonya timi switch before and sana you revoke the student visa no. So yes, so your application now or the dependent na kasa application no ho. Then that's it because one application but nipa mienu and a was so until wo the main applicant no and afi dependent no nyina was application so into that should cover omo mienu nyina manye.
Oh, okay. Nti ni so be ma no nsan koye another application bia bia.
No, say omo your application no ena ode ni shame as ni dependent then yes fee na home office for charging no so hwa ye charging no nipa mienu fee which means say omo mienu aye application even though it's on the same form and answer online no omo mienu nyina na application form ho. Nti yes be cover omo mienu nyina.
Joe la Patrick that's I'm say for Hannah did you made in baby ye question na can miss Ramon 11 na bo 11 na will be clock and so I start to count. So I'm going to give this the opportunity now to our lady lawyer to give us the version of this today English version of today's program. Patrick questions na I'm not gonna answer them. Miss Ramon ini die mu nyame adumochna community and the law met me edi akoho edi amamo intino mentuma anase lawyer say obema ye final note na ansa na ye nuaba no nso abemu ankan no nso be ye me de pa na afede ye di dwumedi no asori ye na nso wadaroma.
Right, Manye, thank you very much. You know, nti for so ye damase say necessary when your time abe joining in to learn something very very important. I hope say the yesuan and no ye nyina ye be taking note e de aboye bra na ye application na home office throw say beje wo passport okoje passport no na bibia nim na wunya decision a entena ho enka say na de na asi esese utimi take steps na o challenges are the home office aye no say yes omo de send you email na wan hu a na chese bia wo mfom so say ma ho kwan say obey appeal a obetimi apa court no chew na oma ma ho kwan ama wa appeal but the bottom line is say home office decision na a negative mra ehye wo mo say esese omo ma decision notice no with reasons of refusal na fe no omo chew e kwan a obefa so say decision no e appealable a obey appeal against our decision no omo cheche wo nyina ya cheche emra no be bia a home office say omo nyesa immigration notices and regulations immigration regulations 2003 no and afi Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 no ni nyina home office say esese omo ye saa de no section 84 no of NIA 2002 no so ma omo enhyese esese omo che grounds kra esese ugina so a ode ye saa appeal no nti mra no ebo wo ho ban nti se mra no bo wo ho ban so de a na esese wo susu no ototo niema ye na bibi saa ba wa kwan mu a watimi a challenge home office wo Debbie.
Okay, pacho meto ama yen nuaba lawyer na ono nso emfa potokasemu embecheche mu na nsa ya sori na so.
Okay, thank you, Manya. So the topic we treated today is the Home Office legally required to provide me with a decision notice if my application has been refused? And the long and short of it is, yes, that is correct. They are legally obligated to, because of regulations 4.1 of the Immigration Notices, Regulations 2003. So where you've made an immigration application, an EEA application, and unfortunately the decision is negative, they are obligated to do this where the decision is appealable. So what is an appealable decision? One that involves asylum / protection decision, an application with human rights involved, or an E decision under Regulation 16. Where you can't appeal those decisions, you usually have the right for administrative or judicial review. So Regulations 7.1 of the same Immigration Notices 2003 gives ways in which the decision is supposed to be handed to the recipient. So they can either give it to you by hand, send it by fax, email, postal service. And inside of the decision notice as well, they are supposed to give you reasons for refusal. They're supposed to explain to you your rights of appeal, whether or not such an appeal may be brought while you're in the United Kingdom. In regards to the time scale for lodging an appeal, if it's an in-country application, you have 14 days from the date of decision. If it's an out-of-country appeal, you have 28 days from the date of decision. As Lawyer Patrick said, we have to be mindful of the fact that the decision may go to our spam or junk mail, and then if the time limit passes by, then that could cause issues. You'd have to explain to them or go and explain why that is. So it's very important that we are aware of this so that we don't find ourselves in any tricky situations in the future. So that's my little summary. Thank you.
Thank you, Yenyaba Lawyer Debbie. Etio for na for Madam Winasi. Aha na mmerɛ ma yɛn kwan na yɛmfa dwumadie no ensi. Megye de sɛ mwenya bibi ka efiri mu na obi ka ene ɔkae na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ appeal na wode kɔ court no la Patrick kan sɛ kɔ na kɔsrɛ ɔmo na ɔmo enhwɛ wo kasa no na obi kan sɛ odu court a ɔga ɔka sɛ court o I beg you look at me srem ngojina anka say court I beg you sa abrofo no enye nti so obeso osua abrofo abraketi head consult for ho mbetro yenka say I beg you patro eno no yen krom kasa na opa abrofo de no mo kwan a ye fa so a ye ka no nti obeso hu a just inbox me on 075966201154 na yen kyerɛw sa abrofo no ka eno nje say mini brofo misrem Yadisia, Madam Winina, BWF Solicitors, Legal Hours, Sunana, Oshe, Midiani, Magneti. Next week, same time, same place, Ebesensia, Yamen Kayaho. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we'll get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London. N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.